Go.
Right, today we're fitting a VE Series 2 lip spoiler. This is the factory spoiler that comes standard on the VE Series 2. As you can see, it's got 7 points where it attaches. The factory lip has 7 holes. If you have a VE Series 2, you want to fit one of these spoilers, we will supply it to you after the lugs have all been removed to make it easier to install. We put double-sided tape on it. We suggest you use a little bit of Sikaflex, maybe 5 dots, 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4 to install. Because your lip spoiler will fit onto your car, you won't have these holes. So you just place such, and as you see, it is a perfect fit.